Hi, today we are in Audi A3 8P and we are going to try to reset the service reminder in this car. So let's turn on the ignition, and as you can see we have the spanner symbol flashing over here. We have two buttons. The left one is responsible for the clock and the right one is for your trip odometer and the service messages. So what you need to do is grab the right one and pull it once, and we can see that the service is overdue. Also the oil service is overdue. Okay, let's pull it again, and now let's pull and hold it. Okay, let's pull it again. Spanner is not reset, but the oil is reset. Okay, I looked around and it seems like you cannot reset the service inspection yourself, only the oil inspection. So we are going to try use the Carista OBD2 adapter and check if this will reset the service reminder in this car. And let's give it a second. As you can see, the spanner is over here, and now let's press reset. Spanner is not here, so let's turn up the ignition, turn it back on. No message. Let's pull it. And that's it. As you can see, there's a tool required to reset the service inspection, and only the oil reminder can be reset with a button combination. Okay, thank you for watching. Check my other tutorials for Audi A3, Audi and other brands, and give me a thumbs up if this video helped you. See you soon.